Hi guys, welcome to the third part of my summer 22 workout series. In this part I'll go through a curl workout, so abs, obliques and lower back. Without further ado, let's get started. So first exercise is simple leg raises on the ground. Next up, side raises. This is a oblique exercise. I'll show you. So again, you got two cameras recording, but next exercise is L6 strides. Might seem like a really easy exercise, but it actually burns abs pretty nicely. Your hands right here. From here, you lift your legs like this. With the lower body hold, I can rotate to, so you can get a better idea of the position. So the idea is basically to hold here. You can keep your hand like this. Makes it quite hard. Yeah, basically as you can see, my lower back is here. Basically on the butt, touching the ground. The next exercise, side bank raises or shrugs. So next up, like this ab wheel. Yeah, I don't know how to call them, but yeah, use this ab wheel. Were actually all the exercises I can do at home. I still have a few in mind: toes to bar, around the world, and hips to bar. They require a bar, so I go to a workout park. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.